I'm done with the conversation now.
Sit back down.
I'm sat.
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 Kung mabilis ka rin namang ma-fall, siguraduhin mong masarap ang landing mo. I am dressing up my master's bedroom and ang una kong naisip is to get the best mattress and bed. Because I don't ever wanna underestimate sleep ever again. Lalo na ngayon trentahin ka na, kailangan mo ng good sleep. I always aim to get good sleep. Because good sleep means good mental health and good mental health means increased productivity. The most essential, 3 things. Comfort, support, recovery. This is the new and improved Emma Diamond Hybrid Mattress. Meron siyang 7 layers. Wow! The top layer is very breathable so you can stay cool. At ang maganda dito, removable and washable. The middle layer just hugs your body while keeping you fully supported. Last but not the least, the bottom layer keeps it stable. Gusto natin ng stable. Look at this glass of water. Hindi talaga siya papauga kahit sa mga red flags. Ano? And we also have the memory foam pillows. Super ganda. Masarap gamitin for sleep. And you can customize the layers according to the type of sleeper you are. Pwede mong taasan, pwede mong babaan, ikaw bala. Alam niyo, sobrang worth it mag-invest sa Emma Bed. They have free delivery, 100-night trial, and 10-year warranty. Dami ko pa lang kailangan gawin dito sa room. But at least, masarap yung tulog ko. That's the most important. If you also want to invest for good sleep, bigyan kita ng discount. Just use my code. Good night! Wait, nandiyan ka pa din.